If you're a retiree worried about how inflation could erode your wealth, you're not alone. Many retirees are looking for ways to protect their savings from inflation, especially with rising costs and unpredictable economic shifts. Today, we're diving into the top inflation-proof investments for retirees, and I'll show you exactly how you can secure your financial future. Inflation can hit fixed income the hardest, especially for retirees relying on pensions or Social Security. With prices rising, your dollars don't stretch as far, which means your savings might not last as long. But there are a few ways you can keep your wealth safe, and in some cases, even growing, despite inflation. One of the most powerful tools for safeguarding your retirement savings is the Gold IRA. Gold has stood the test of time as a store of value, and it performs especially well during inflationary periods. This is why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. If you want to learn why so many people are making the switch, click the first link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. Trust me, this is one step that could protect your savings in the coming years. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, real estate is another solid option. Historically, real estate appreciates over time, even when inflation rises. Plus, real estate can provide rental income, which can give you a steady cash flow during retirement. But here's the thing, while real estate can be profitable, it requires a substantial investment and comes with some maintenance costs. Plus, if you're not experienced in managing properties, it could end up being more of a headache than a benefit. Bonds and Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, are another common choice. TIPS are designed to adjust with inflation, offering a relatively safe return. But let's be honest, TIPS often don't deliver the kind of high returns needed to significantly grow your wealth over time. For retirees, especially those with large savings, TIPS might not be enough to keep up with inflation over the long haul. Another option that comes up often is dividend-paying stocks. While they can offer income, stock markets are volatile, and that volatility could be dangerous if you're relying on your portfolio for steady retirement income. Especially for retirees with larger portfolios, stocks can introduce more risk than desired, particularly if you're close to needing to access your funds. So why does a gold IRA stand out from all of these options? Unlike real estate, it's liquid and easier to manage without the need for constant oversight. Unlike TIPS or bonds, it's a hedge against inflation that has outperformed other investments during periods of economic uncertainty. Gold's value tends to rise when inflation does, and it's a tangible asset that doesn't depend on the stock market. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, then a gold IRA could be your best move. It's perfect for retirees who want to stay ahead of inflation without putting their savings at unnecessary risk. So, if you're sitting on 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, make sure you take advantage of the free Gold IRA guide in the description below to get started. In conclusion, while there are several inflation-proof investments out there, gold IRAs offer the best combination of security and growth potential for retirees. Real estate can be a good option, but it requires effort and investment. Stocks and bonds offer returns, but not always in line with inflation. Gold, on the other hand, holds its value and can grow in uncertain economic times. So, if you're looking for the best way to protect your wealth from inflation and want to ensure your savings are in the right hands, check out the Gold IRA guide in the description below. It's a step that could make all the difference in securing your financial future. If you're ready to take control of your retirement and protect your savings, don't wait. Click that link and start today.